What's up, guys? Who's ready to do some more touring car building? I am ready. I've been looking forward to it all day. I've been sitting in stupid Zoom classes for school, and they're lame. They're boring. I've been fiddling with these parts that we completed last time. Got a front differential, a solid rear axle, and a center spur gear. If you want to see how we built those, make sure you go check out the last video. Very productive episode, if I do say so myself. And I've got all our parts laid out for today's episode. So what we're going to be doing is starting to work on the chassis, which actually is carbon fiber. I know I said it looked like aluminum last time, but it's actually carbon. So let us get started. So something to note already is these guys, so one set of these has lines going both ways on top, and one only has a line going in one direction. The one with the line going in one direction goes on what I think is the front. Yes, the front, which is over here, side with the closed section on the chassis, and they need to be facing each other essentially. At least that is what I can deduce from the instructions. I've never had anything that's carbon fiber before, so I'm curious, when you scratch it, does it kind of end up fraying a little bit and getting splintery? I think that's what happens, but I'm not sure. So that'll be interesting to see. Also, I hope you guys don't mind the camera angle. That's just what's been working best for me recently. And for this project, it's easiest for me, and I'm used to having it on my right side. So hopefully that's okay and you guys don't mind too much. If it is a problem for anyone, I can always try and move it. I might try moving the camera actually back into that corner. Maybe next time, tomorrow. Might try that, but we'll see. See how things go. Alright, there we go. Our 4 suspension kingpin brackets, supports, mounts, holders, whatever you want, installed on there. Now we're going to start looking at the suspension arms. And see, what am I looking at here? I'm seeing, got a hole up here, these slightly longer grub screws, and these guys are actually what appear to be bump stops. You thread these guys in there. Looks like it says to leave it extruded about 2.5 millimeters. So I've got a ruler out over here. I'm going to measure. Approximate, not exact, but let's see here. It's about 2, probably another turn. Let's try that. Yep, there we go. That's 2.5 millimeters. And then it's asking us to put the shorter one into the outside hole here. Come on. And it wants this one to be left out 4 millimeters. And then what's going to go on top of this is it's like a ball joint sort of thing. So that's interesting. There we go, 4 millimeters. And then this little guy on top of that. And actually, snug that guy right up. Let's get you a closer look. There's the front A-arm. We have the long grub screw in here with the ball joint on the end, and the little bump stop depth or angle limiter. Yeah, that's what it is right there. Now we just do the same thing on the other side. There we go. There's the second one complete. Now we're going to install them on chassis here. Let's use these nice metal kingpins. So it's asking us to put it through with a, probably feels like aluminum spacer on either side. And then that slips into there. Very nice. Do the same thing on the other side. You know, I've never built a chassis or like built a vehicle or had a vehicle that's on a, how do you put it, like a single plate chassis like this. It's cool. I feel like you generally see this more like in the racing community, much less than anywhere else. There we go, and let's see, what is that? Suspension mount FF plus 0. FF plus 0, that one. Okay. Oh, I see. So there are little nubs on the end of there, and there are indeed some eensy-weensy little holes there and there for said nubs to slot into. Very nice. Good engineering. Oh, so nice. So little play. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. Very nice. Let's move nice and smooth. Time to flip the page. Cool. And we can do the rear. Looks like pretty much the same thing on the rear, except that there is a left and a right. And that we use these ones. So there's two different kinds of these like ball joints. There's a kind that thread onto grub screws and a kind that just threads straight into the holes. And on the rear ones you use both. And I'm going to guess that's because the rear probably has a sway bar that connects to one of them. That is going to be my bet, because I do recall seeing a sway bar in one of the pictures of this vehicle. But man, I'll tell you, my wrenching hand is getting a little tired. Oops, that was the wrong one. Wrong one. That one goes up here. Yeah, building kits always get your wrenching hand real tired. Cool. Now it's basically appears to be the exact same thing as the front, just in the rear. Those guys are going to go there. Oh, look at that. It literally says right in the instructions. Huh. Right there. RR plus 10, and it says that that's the 1 degree one. I would think that it would just be a 1, not a 10, but okay. I understand. Let's finish this thing up and cinch her up from the bottom, and then that bag is done. That was pretty quick, actually. Quick for me. Quick video, which was good. Pretty productive. Next time we're going to be looking at the steering, it looks like, and also steering, and also installing the spur gear in the center. Well, not actually the center. It's a little bit back from center, I think. So that should be fun. Looking forward to that. I will do that tomorrow. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed. There we go. Very nice. Starting to look like a car, I'd tell you that much. And this guy is probably going to go here. This guy up here. And this will go out here. Oh, that's starting to look good, you guys. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, hit that subscribe button, comment down below. Also follow me on Instagram at have49_RC. I forgot the underscore last time when I was editing. I'm like, no! But yeah, make sure you guys come back next time. Also hit that notification bell. Forgot to mention that. Get notified of when that video comes out. So yeah, tune in then and I'll see y'all later.